and thank you so much everyone for supporting Nirvana Healing Hands and our potential. We are delivering the best we can to everybody, to people who are in pain or suffering from disabilities, right from a small child or a young patient or a old patient of 70 years. So thank you everybody for believing in us, and in this holy month of Lord Shiva, may his blessings, his healings benefit everybody and everybody get healed naturally. The important thing is one should get healed naturally. We all have the immense healing power within ourselves. So the basic thing is to generate or to trigger that healing and stay safe. And nowadays in social media, on WhatsApp and many internet platforms, I'm getting messages or contents where people asking how to improve their musculoskeletal health or improve their immunity. So being a chiropractor or a physio, I would suggest to be in touch with nature. We are getting detached from nature or the natural things. So first of all, it is very important to be in touch with nature and follow the basic rules of our body system or our physiological system. Many things we are doing against of that, and developing so many problems like back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. People come at a very young age of 20, 21, and when we examine, we find that they are having some spinal problems like scoliosis, functional scoliosis, developing from poor posture, spondylosis, and even slip disc also. So that is not disease. It is only due to bad posture or faulty lifestyle using everybody. So it is very important to protect ourselves from doing all these odd things. Bending forward, lifting heavy weights while bending, squatting for longer period, and very important is to at least walk in the morning or after dinner, so that the BMR, basal metabolic rate, and the body functions synchronize properly. And little bit of physical exercise, little bit of some yoga and breathing exercise can help everybody coming out from these problems like immunity and scoliosis, spondylitis, slip discs. It can be easily cured, or it can be easily prevented, and by doing all these things, we can avoid many problems such as cardiovascular diseases, which in early ages I have seen people suffering from heart attack in very young age. This is only because of our haphazard lifestyle. So improving lifestyle is very important, and checking out some basic things while doing day-to-day activities like how we sit, how we drive, how we lift something. So the basic ergonomics has to be inculcated in everybody so that these problems nowadays coming to younger ages can be avoided. So there is nothing to worry, and these days, for last 2 years, everybody is suffering and facing so many problems due to this COVID pandemic and losses. Everybody had some losses nearby. So no need to worry. Just boost your immunity, accept the natural things, stick to them, do some exercises, little bit of walking, some breathing exercises, and a good sleep. These basic things are all under our control, and we rule over them. We can rule over them, but unfortunately, they are ruling over us. All the bad things are ruling over us only because we are not able to intensify our capabilities. So be safe and come to natural things, avoid medicines, avoid faulty postures, and I would like to suggest everybody to go through the basic phenomenal things like chiropractic and physiotherapy